Hello everyone, this is a question from CMAT 25 slot 1. Read the following sentences and choose the ones belonging to the domain of compound sentences. So before going for the right answer, let us see how many types of sentences are there. So basically when we talk about the sentences, there are three sentences. One is simple, second compound, and third complex. When we talk about simple sentence, we have one independent clause, only one independent clause, or rather I should say one independent sentence. When we talk about compound sentence, here we have two independent sentences. Two independent sentences which are joined by using coordinating conjunctions like but, and, still, therefore. So if we join two independent sentences using these words, then those sentences are called compound sentences. When we talk about the complex sentence, we have one dependent clause and one independent clause. It means one statement is dependent on the other one. So if I say, if you work hard. So this is a sentence, but this is not an independent sentence because if is given, so this sentence is dependent sentence. Why? Because I need to have another sentence in order to complete this sentence. So if you work hard, you will succeed. So when we have dependent and independent sentences, that is the case of complex sentence. So now let us see. Her fear is that she may fall ill. So now this sentence is complete in itself and this is the only sentence given over here. We have only one independent sentence, so this is the case of simple sentence. Sheila is clever, first sentence. She does not do well in her studies, another sentence. This is also independent sentence, this is also independent sentence, and we have joined these two sentences using still. So this is the case of compound sentence. Noel was caught stealing, therefore he was punished. Noel was caught stealing, one sentence which is independent. He was punished, another statement which is independent, and we have joined these two independent sentences using therefore. Again, this is the case of compound sentence. That animal is either a fish or a serpent. Had I wanted, I could have written this sentence this way also. That animal is either a fish or that animal is either a serpent. And because we have joined these two independent clauses or sentences using or, and when we join two sentences using or, if repetition is there, we should always try to avoid the repetition. Therefore, I can write this sentence this way. That animal is either a fish or a serpent. That is also the case of compound sentence. Okay. So now B, C and D, these are the cases of compound sentences and A is the case of simple sentence. Therefore, answer is going to be B. I hope you have understood. Thank you.